Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to share games on Steam with your family library sharing. First of all, open your Steam app or website, then go to your click on your username, then select account details. After that, login. After that, select family management or family tab, join a family or create a family, then enter your family name, then create. Or if you are using Steam app, just go to settings, then click family, then check authorize library sharing on this computer. Next, log into your Steam account on their computer just once to authorize it, then log out. Now they log into their own account and they will see your games in their library ready to install and have play. And that's it. Thanks for watching.